Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix sender name not showing in Microsoft Outlook. So let me show you how to fix it. For that, click Go to View tab, then click on Current View. Then click on View Settings. This will open Advanced View Settings compact window. Here, click on Columns. Here you can choose what data is to be shown in your inbox. You can add datas from left box to right box so that datas in right box will show up in inbox. So to show sender name in inbox, here select From and click on Add to move to right box. Then click on Move Up to move from to up. Then click on OK, and again click on OK. Now you can see that sender name is displayed in inbox. That's it.